Okay, welcome guys. Okay, briefly without wasting your time, I'll be showing you how I turned a $10 account into 138 USDT with just a day trade and a very simple strategy which I want you to take note of. And this is a screen record of me placing orders. So very soon I'll be giving you analysis on how I analyze the market before placing orders. So take note of the time frame. You notice you're in 15 minutes time frame. As a day trader, if you're going to analyze the market, you need to analyze on a 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. Basically, mostly I love using 4 hours time frame. So there you'll be able to see what movement the market is making. So you'll be able to know where to place your trade, where to place your stop loss and your take profit. So right here in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, it's showing us the uptrend. As we all know, gold have been making higher highs this couple of days. So to analyze the market, as you can see, they've been uptrends. So normally everyone is expecting the market to touch this support level here and continue the uptrend. But the fact that the market actually broke that support level gives us a very big green light to continue selling. See, the market actually broke the support level right here, which means it's probably going to touch this resistance down here. There's another this resistance down here, this point, the end of this line, which means the market is going to touch the resistance down there. And normally after every break of support, there's always a little bit of reversal, which gives you the right position to place your order, and then you place a sell. Like after this support, after break of support right here, you notice there's a reversal which went up. And so, well, if you're looking at it from the 4 hour time frame, you'll be able to get a clear view. But if you had looked at it with the 15 minutes time frame, you would feel the market would continue going up. So looking at it from the 4 hours time frame, the market reversed a little bit after breaking the support, and normally as expected, we are supposed to have a very big sell, and probably I placed the sell. So I had to just place my sell right at this point and then waited for my day trade to play out. And for the stop loss, you can just put it above this, depending on your balance. You can either put it at the top of this big higher high, or at the top of this shoulder, at the top of the shoulder of the higher highs. So as expected, I waited for my trade to play out, which was around 9 a.m. in the morning. And right here, our results later in the evening around 6:54 p.m. Running profit 62 USD, and then I decided to take profit myself since it had not hit TP. And if by any chance this strategy actually adds value to your forex journey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your guys, and also drop comment in the comment section if you have any objection concerning this strategy or maybe anything about this video. Have a nice day, guys.